Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about 10 ways to lose weight without exercise. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Diet schedules that require strict adherence can be difficult to maintain over extended periods of time. Finding time to work out can also be difficult. Is it possible to lose weight without engaging in any of these activities? Maintaining a balanced body weight necessitates the use of a number of weight control techniques. Learn 10 weight loss methods that don't require a diet or workout in this video. Number 1. Boost your cooking skills. Learning to prepare a variety of meals will help you lose weight. Understanding how to cook meals and improving your cooking skills will help you reduce weight without reducing your calorie consumption. People who know how to prepare a variety of foods are more likely to consume a wide range of highly healthy ingredients, such as fruits and vegetables, which are beneficial to weight loss. In reality, researchers are increasingly connecting poor cooking skills to weight gain and obesity. Many who are unsure about cooking can enroll in a cooking class or watch cooking videos online. Jamie Oliver's FoodTube, which focuses on how to make easy, healthy meals, is a great place to start. Number 2. Eat more protein. Protein is an important component of a balanced diet, since it is needed for growth and efficient metabolism. Protein will make you feel fuller longer and keep you from getting hungry. A small sample of young women showed that snacking on high-protein yogurt in the afternoon decreased appetite and calorie consumption at subsequent meals. Using a tablespoon of chia seeds or hemp seeds to breakfast cereals, or having more eggs in meal plans are simple ways to increase protein in the diet. Number 3. Eat more fiber. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains are all high in fiber. Fiber differs from most foods in that it is not digested in the small intestine. The food instead travels to the large intestine, where fermentation takes place. This is advantageous. People that can be relied on as a reliable source include growing fullness, slowing metabolism, increasing food transit time, and avoiding constipation are all benefits of this supplement. Fiber should be used in a healthy diet by having whole grains in the diet, such as steel-cut oats and brown rice, and consuming lots of vegetables are all good ideas. Many vegetables' skins contain fiber, which is also advantageous. Cooked skin is healthy and easy to eat as long as it is properly washed. Number 4. Try a probiotic. Beneficial bacteria that aid digestion are known as probiotics. Recent research indicates that probiotics can affect weight, fat mass, and mood, and that gut and brain activity are linked. The bacteria, in particular, benefit the intestine and a person's overall health. They have the following advantages: fatty acids with anti-cancer effects, controlling body weight, and energy for the gut wall and liver cells. A high-sugar, high-fat diet will disrupt the balance of bacteria in the intestine. Probiotics can help prevent or treat obesity, according to research. Probiotics are available over the counter, OTC, in pharmacies and online. Probiotics can also be used in a number of fermented foods, such as yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, miso, tempeh, and kombucha are all examples of fermented foods. Number 5. Get more sleep. A decent night's sleep is important for overall health and weight management. Sleep deprivation disrupts essential hormones, including those that regulate metabolism. A person's chance of being overweight or obese increases if they get less than 6 hours of sleep per night. Number 6. Reduce stress. Yoga will help you lose weight and reduce stress. Hormonal equilibrium may also be disrupted by increased stress levels. A person's appetite may be increased by too much glucocorticoids, leading to weight gain. Emotional eating may be triggered by stress. When a person consumes unhealthful foods to attempt to stabilize and change a bad mood, this is known as emotional eating. Here are a few stress reduction techniques: having daily workout, cutting down on caffeine, doing meditation or mindfulness, saying no to non-essential obligations, taking time outside, and doing yoga are all good ideas. Number 7. Get more vitamin D. According to some studies, people with low vitamin D blood levels are more likely to be obese and get insufficient exercise. Such health problems linked to low vitamin D levels include metabolic syndrome, depression and anxiety, type 1 and type 2 diabetes, osteoporosis, and osteoarthritis are all conditions that can lead to osteoporosis and osteoarthritis. Vitamin D is obtained from the sun and some plants. Egg yolks, fatty fish, some herbs, and fortified foods are also good sources of vitamin D. Vitamin D supplements are also available in hospitals and on the internet. Number 8. Serve food in multiple small portions. In a buffet or snacking case, this approach is most useful. One research split single meals into smaller amounts to see whether participants would feel fuller if they consumed the same amount of food in smaller portions. The researchers discovered that splitting foods into 3 or 6 different portions increased the participants' predicted level of fullness. When eating at a buffet, an individual will divide the food between several small plates. Instead of placing everything on one plate, an individual can divide mealtimes into many small courses. Number 9. Use a smaller plate. People have a tendency to eat all of the food on a plate as it is served to them. By minimizing the size of their plate or the amount of food they placed on it, they may reduce their calorie intake with little effort. According to 2 reports published in 2017, university students regularly placed less food on a portion control tray. Visible size markers for key food groups are used on a portion distribution tray, enabling people to change their servings without guesswork. Portion control plates can be used in certain supermarkets and on the internet. Number 10. Cut out sugary beverages. Adding herbs or fruit to water can help to reduce sugary drink cravings. According to a British study, children who consume sugary and chemically sweetened beverages on a daily basis have more body fat. Soft drinks can be replaced by a variety of healthy options. New mint, ginger, berries, or cucumber in plain water is soothing and low in calories. Lime or lemon may also be added to sparkling water. Teas that are herbal, orange, or black are also appropriate. Many teas have added wellness advantages. Fruit drinks have a lot of sugar in them. Whole fruits, which are high in nutrition, can be eaten wherever possible. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.